2, 1.
Oh fuck. Better stack on somebody.
You're good.
Good. Okay.
If you're the only one left with the debuff, you don't explode. Oh, you can skip this guy.
Yeah, you just go past him.
Oh my god, I didn't know that.
I have a notebook full of notes from all the whatchamacallit, the gold challenge modes.
I didn't play back then. I quit in Rat and then I came back at the end of BFA, so those are new to me now.
Usually have like a hunter comic full of that. Just drag this shit to the next pool. I'm gonna mark this one. This is a tank buster right here.
That's a debuff.
This pack right here.
I don't know who casts the debuff, but anyone can get it. I didn't know the tank could get it though.
This group right here is
I fucking hate when priests pull you and you needed to be in combat. You know what I mean?
there's a thing for it. You just have to make sure we stay on that fucking this little white.
When your top heal's a top DP assisting. And then they want to tell you what you're doing wrong.
Right?
Okay. Don't pull extra shit.
Try to stand on the white ones.
Does it one-shot you if you don't stand on it?
Yeah. Maybe the hunter will just CC it. Oh, fuck. White. This one.
My shaman's turning into a beast, by the way.
Nice, nice.
Later today or after reset or whatever, we should run something. You should run something with me.
We can't.
You can't.
I said we can't.
Oh. So what the fuck? Am I not good enough for you? Or what?
No,
You don't love me no more? What?
I always love it. I'm doing fucking 80k. I'm doing 120k right now. Look at that. Oh, never mind. That's the other warrior. I was like, what the fuck?
I can't pull those kinds of numbers, not even close. I mean, not on my tank, anyways.
Oh, fuck. I got stunned. I'm only doing 23k overall right now. I'm running some different talents. Oh yeah, I took my...
Wait up.
Stunning.
He released.
Yeah.
My interrupt was on cooldown, couldn't interrupt that bolt.
I get to dress up as a karate Grinch at Sam Sam's dojo today.
What is it?
Steal all their fucking presents. The kids are gonna beat me up. It's gonna be fun. Little do they know if they hit me in the balls. I'm not above punching a kid in the face, you know? Like, I'll do it.
Ah.
Come closer. Your souls are strong and proud. I will feast on your terror. None is it. The elements answer to me.
Oh god, I hope I don't get stunned.
Former masters.
I'm gonna kill this thing and I'll come out.
That sucks. We couldn't clear the debuff before we went in.
You cannot flee.
Can you stop pulling me, priest? I swear to God.
You need to use a, one of those fucking MK3s. They're engineering thing. And they keep, priests and dragons from...
Corpse of a dying god.
What is it? You're gonna have to tell me after this pool. Like, there's just... Okay, what's it called?
called the MK3 something.
How does it keep them from pulling you?
It doesn't allow them to do shit like that.
I mean, like, sometimes, usually it won't mind if it's not, like, super consistently annoying, you know what I mean? But This dude is like stopping me from being able to heal myself, and it's ultimately fucking
Make that one
me.
also. Just need that for percent. Just drag this fucker to the spider.
The elements answer to me. The elements answer to me.
This priest's starting to get the picture of how I pool. I take back all my rude comments.
Ah, oh, fuck.
The elements answer to me.
Oh shit.
Fucking silence. Yeah,
Yeah, let me drink.
nice. Alright.
Totally out of mana. Yeah, I don't know what I did with the last group here, but it felt much longer.
I'm gonna bait this away. Ah, I got stuck in that body slam. With all those bats on me.
That's what the Earth Daddies are for.
Yeah, the hunters right behind you to get body slammed.
So when the small worms come here, do we ignore them and just kill the big one?
Small ones.
Like the extra ones on the sides later on?
No, we're gonna have to kill those.
Okay.
But we're on the left off the bat.
Yep.
Yeah. And then we'll have to. Let's see.
Marked by lightning.
I'm gonna run back.
Can you come to me? Come to me, come to me. There we
Yeah.
go.
Body slam. One in the back. The puddle will slow it down too. If you get into one of those, there's like normally slime puddles. There we go. It's been so long since I've been in here.
Marked by lightning.
Oh shit. Getting to this back puddle. Nice job. Awesome heals.
Range should bait weapon melee. Oh, I see what he's saying. Okay.
The elements answer to me.
Yeah, that way you don't have to move.
Yeah.
Just gives you more uptime.
Makes sense.
Man, this warrior's fucking rocking it overall. His damage overall is fucking good.
Oh, that bull.
These things used to blow you up if you didn't interrupt them.
Well, I don't think you can interrupt them, can you?
They don't do it anymore.
Oh,
If
I
you
see.
didn't
They changed them.
interrupt them, yeah.
But they do a lot of damage. Kill in center, okay.
Oh, I'm hungry. Eat.
Let's say,
Get some fried chicken. I'm just joking. Racist. I'm sorry. It's too early. It's way too early for racism.
no, we know you're not racist.
Or am I? No, my nephew's black.
You say your nephew's black.
He is. He really is. I'm not even kidding. I love him to death, too. He's like a little me.
I'm gonna face this guy away because of...
Scares the shit out of me. Swear to God, if that kid turns out anything like me in my 20s, I'll beat the hell out of him.
I always have to set cooldowns for those fucking ads.
Didn't see I have a mark. Fuck.
That's alright.
Res. Okay.
It's gonna get you.
Oh, come on! On top of me!
Oh fuck.
Come on, man! It's on top of me again! Fuck! Can you survive this?
I don't know.
Oh, dude, it's the last day of school. I'm so fucking happy. Winter vacation's here. After today and tomorrow, it should be pretty smooth sailing. Got the early morning shit.
I'm just gonna roll click over it.
We are so dead. Okay, I guess you can survive this.
I've done some crazy soloing and shit before. Luckily you're up for this.
Okay,
Fuck yeah.
that's a finale. Two chests even.
Fuck yeah.
Bracers, nice.
So, yeah, that warrior's freaking pumping. Yeah, with 2 chests of that.
I want to pump with you.
50k, yeah.
That's it?
That's how much you did, Fury.
He's doing 50k?
Yep. Over.
That's it?
That's it.
Pumping to you?
That's it.
Oh my god.
I don't know,
That
man.
was
I'm
shit
enhancement
all over
shaman.
your
I don't have
BBS
uncapped
shirts.
AoE, so